If you're booked into the Fergus Club Pineda Splash, you might get dropped off here by the train station. Quickest and easiest way to get to your hotel, which isn't too far, is across the road here. And just follow it right up. There's a park right on the corner. So I'll just take you and show you the park now. You can see a park right there on the corner. You need to go to the corner of that street. Okay, so there's the park. Just span round. There's the train station. You've been dropped off right behind you. This is where the street turns left. And we're going to be going straight down this street. You can see just in the distance there is the tower that shows Fergus on the top. That's where we're heading. Do pass a bit of a park. There's your tower, and the entrance is just here to my right hand side. Here we are. So we are in room 153 of the Fergus Club Pineda Splash. This is what they call the Deluxe double room. So a quick look round. It's not a huge room, but on holiday it's got what you need. So we have got the double bed. Each side has got a bedside table and plugs. Just we have unpacked, so you're going to have to see our things here. We have got a couple of drawers and shelving units to add items. We have hanging space, and below there we do have a fridge. Now it did say in this hotel that there is a minibar. All we've got is a fridge, and we had a bottle of water left in the rooms, which is now in the fridge. That's fine, we don't normally spend money on the minibars anyway, but just if that's something that you were interested in, this, even though it said minibar, it is actually just a fridge. Don't really like the fact that the hangers are above the fridge, because obviously the fridge is going to need that vent and that's going to go, so we've tried to push the clothes to the side. So having a quick look around, we have got a balcony. And it is a balcony with a pool view, which I think is quite nice. We often get, you don't always get much views in some of the rooms, even though they have a balcony, but it's actually nice to actually see a bit of the pool. And now I was concerned about the toilet, because one of the pictures I saw on the website was literally a toilet with a patio door there, and I'm like, oh my God, that's not going to be it, is it? So here we have a sliding door, which will open up into the bathroom. Thankfully, it is an enclosed space. There are no balcony doors, so you can wave to your neighbours every morning as you're doing your business. It has got a hairdryer up on the wall, and it's got a decent size shower room, basically. That is actually quite a good size, and they do have toiletries provided as well. Shower head as well, that looks promising for a decent shower. Not had one yet because we've only just landed. So this is what you're going to get in the deluxe room at the Fergus Club Pineda Splash. Thank you very much for watching Travels with Lorna. Please do subscribe to my channel and please add a like to the video. Bye for now.